Windstorm. What is windstorm? Andhi, not this one. No. Windstorm, a wind that is strong enough to cause at least light damage to trees and buildings, and may or may not be accompanied by precipitation. This is windstorm.
Just look at them. Just look at the weather. Wind blowing all over. Look at my car. It's covered with leaves. Oh my god. And I get in my car. There was a windstorm, leaves and trees flying all over. A little bit rain also. It's so दिन में एक दिन दिखने वाला मौसम.
Did you know the average total rainfall from Mumbai in the month of June is 523 millimeters?
The last year when I was in Mumbai, it rained the entire month. Just imagine a whole month, day, night, evening, morning, whatever time of the day it's raining. It's just raining. So that was the time when I did not like the rain much. But now I'm enjoying this weather. I feel you should get out of your places and just enjoy the weather, because this is the time which is rare if you're not in Mumbai. If in Mumbai, do not get out of your house. You're gonna see it every day. Every day. Feel the air, feel the drops of water. Look at the sky. Oh, fuck.
क्षेत्र रोहिणी में आपका स्वागत है.
बाबा, क्या मौसम है यार.
कितनी बोतल लगनी है पहले?
And I'm totally loving the weather. And this guy right here is loving the weather as well. Hey, buddy, you loving it? You're scared of me? For the first time in my entire life, a dog is scared of me. But I'm totally enjoying the weather. Suddenly there is a panic situation here. What the fuck, buddy? Chalo. What's happening around? Whoa! And I'm loving the weather out here. This is totally epic. Whoa! क्या बाबा, आपको भी करना है स्टंट? चलाते.
करो ट्राई.
नहीं. Do not try this at home.
घर की खिड़की से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश ना करें.
This is the problem with bloody illiterate people. They take it literally.
बहुत थे जो शक्तिमान बन के कूद गए, भाई उड़ ही नहीं पाए.
We are heading towards my college. Oh yeah, sure. Somebody just banged into our bike. भाई साहब मौसम में मजा आ रहा है. Telling for the last time, do not take admission in this college. Do not. It totally sucks. No, actually you do. You take admission in this college. It's one of the best colleges of IP University. I have graduated from there. So you can imagine how good that college might be. Something I found right here. It's a bird's nest. It has fallen from some tree. Look at the shape of this. It has been designed perfectly. It's round. It's comfortable. If you sit here, you will feel the comfort. This is an egg which might have fallen. Windstorm might have technically caused some lives.
बारिश तेज होती जा रही है.
For today, this was the only thing I wanted to show you. Just get out of your places in such weather and enjoy the weather.
मौसम है. ऐसा मौसम बहुत लंबे टाइम बाद कभी देखने को मिलता है. बारिश भी है, तूफान भी है, लाइट भी है, टाइम भी है.
So that was it from today's vlog.